Thank you for watching this video on the quiet cover for the Roberts-Gordon vacuum pump. This quiet cover is designed for the EP100, EP200, or EP300 series vacuum pumps. If your vacuum pump is located below 20 foot off the ground, it may produce more noise than you want to hear. If that's the case, then the quiet cover will offer the noise control you're looking for. With the quiet cover installed, you will reduce the sound of the vacuum pump by a minimum of 4 decibels, which is significant. These quiet covers are equipped with heavy-duty Velcro, which will keep the covers on nicely. The Velcro offers easy off and on capability if you need to repair your vacuum pump. Before ordering your quiet cover, follow these steps to determine the direction you'll need. Looking at the back of the motor where the fan guard is located, notice the direction of the discharge. If it's to the right, counterclockwise, or the left, clockwise. Thank you for watching this video on the quiet cover by Overhead Products. Let us know if we can assist with questions or ordering, and be sure to check us out on our social channels.